Hi there. Welcome to this episode on Career Bytes offered by CADD Center. My name is Dazil Fernandez. I'm your career coach. And today I wish to talk about a couple of aspects which are very important for you to ensure you have a sustainable career growth. After you find a job, the next step is for you to ensure you build your career. And what are certain aspects? Professionalism and work ethics. These are the two things I would like to talk about. What is professionalism? Professionalism is nothing but a set of behaviors which are expected of a person in a working environment. We all may behave different ways at home and out there in the society, but when we go to work within the organizational context, there are certain ways in which we are expected to behave. It could be as simple as the way you deal with people while you're in a meeting, the way you contradict others, the way you listen to people carefully. These are very simple but important aspects of professionalism. Professionalism could also be looked at the way you respond to customers' queries or complaints. For example, if a customer has a query or a complaint, instead of getting into the problem directly, you might want to start off saying that you regret the inconvenience. That is a professional way of showing off that you are really concerned about what the customer is facing. Similarly, professionalism is also important while you deal with other stakeholders within the organization, like your reporting manager, your senior colleagues, your colleagues from the other departments. Whenever you want some help from them, it's always important for you to understand that you need to approach them politely and request them for a help, because at work, we are all professional friends. The other aspect in terms of ensuring that you have a sustainable career growth is what is called as work ethic. We all know what ethics means. At work, ethics means doing the most required or important, demonstrating those important behaviors. The first one that I would like to talk about is punctuality, being to work on time. Okay, well, you can execute a lot of tasks in a particular day, but reaching work on time as promised to the organization reflects on your work ethic. Another example of work ethic is also what I would call as integrity, which means being honest in every task that you do, ensuring that you don't find shortcuts, ensuring that you don't find ways to complete work, but you go that extra mile in order to ensure that you deliver quality work, and also ensuring that you don't compromise on any compliance regulations. I can go on talking about professionalism and work ethic, but with these examples, I hope you got an idea of why it's important to be demonstrating professionalism and to be demonstrating work ethics to have a sustainable career, a long, sustainable career. Wish you good luck with your career development. I'll see you in the next episode of Career Bytes.